Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and simple meal. Chicken in a green peppercorn madeira sauce. Let's start with a bouquet of herbs. We have rosemary, parsley, bay leaf, and thyme. And for my mise en place, we have onions, shallots, garlic, and mushrooms. We're going to finely dice the onions, shallots, and garlic, and we'll slice the mushrooms. We're just going to tie up our little bouquet. There we go. Next, we're going to cut up our onions. But before that, make sure you have a very sharp knife. There's nothing more dangerous than a dull knife. We're going to cut the onion in half. Cut off the tip. And cut off the tip. And we're just going to peel the first layer off. I've been taught that if you slice with the grain, the onion stays together better when you're cooking it. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And we're gonna cut it up. And look, we have half an onion. I think I'm gonna speed up the process. I'm pretty sure you don't want to watch me just chop here. And next, we have the garlic. I like to smash my garlic first before I cut them. I just find it to be easier. Look at those hands. I wish I can chop that fast. And then we have the shallots here. Let's peel off that skin. And give it a quick chop. Now slice those mushrooms. And that's why it's important to have a nice sharp knife. Look how thin those slices are. One done. And a few more to go. And done. We got some black peppercorn and green peppercorn mixture here. We're going to put it in a Ziploc bag and give it a good whack with a pot. Green peppercorn just have that nice kick to it, and when you taste it, it gives you that nice tingle. There we go, whacking it. Just watch your hands. It smells so good. There we go. Next up, the chicken. I got some bone-in and skin-on chicken thighs, but feel free to substitute it with chicken breast or whole leg or boneless and skinless chicken thighs, whatever you feel like. I'm just using these because I'm taking the bones out for the stock. Yep, I make my own stock. But if you don't have the time, you can always buy the store-bought one. Take your time, you use the tip of your knife, and just carve out that bone. making the stock, I like to brown my chicken wings first. It gives a deeper, richer flavor. And we'll take out the bones. And we'll brown our mirepoix. What's a mirepoix? It's carrots, onions, and celery. There we are. We're gonna toss that up a little. Add the chicken bones back in. And I also have a bouquet in there of parsley and bay leaf. Stir that up a little. I don't know why I'm still holding the pot. Add a touch of water. Get all those brown bits off. We're deglazing the pan. That's where all that flavor is. Fill it up. Put a lid on it. And let it simmer for the next hour to 2. Until then, go do something else. Let's get cracking on the chicken. Some diced pancetta here. We're gonna have it on medium heat and we're gonna render out that fat. It's gonna take some time, but have some patience. Go grab a drink and just come back. And look, there we have it. Look at that beautiful flavor just sitting on the bottom of the pan. We're gonna scoop out the pancetta. Add in the chicken. Season your chicken, skin side down, and just let it cook. We're gonna cook it until it's nice and golden brown. Take a quick look, and there we are. Beautiful golden brown skin. We're gonna flip it over and just cook the meat a little bit. We're not gonna cook this all the way through because we still have some simmering to do afterward. We're gonna take out the chicken and reserve some of those fat. Toss in the mushrooms. Make sure you don't crowd it or you'll never get it to brown. We'll take that out and put it with the chicken. Look how hot that pan is. Next, we're gonna put in our onions, garlics, pancetta, shallots, green peppercorn mix. And we're just gonna fry that up, and we'll have fun with this after. We're gonna put in madeira and flambe. Watch your eyebrows. Put the chicken back in. And the mushrooms. All that beautiful juice is on the plate. Remember that stock that we made? Well, here it comes. We're gonna ladle some into the pan. Just halfway up the chicken. that, you're gonna put the lid back on, turn it on to simmer, and you're gonna simmer it for 20 minutes. And 20 minutes later, there we are. Isn't that beautiful? I wish you could smell it. It's really good. We're gonna garnish it with some parsley, and we're ready to serve. You can serve it with some pasta, with some rice, or like what I have here, just a nice crust of bread. Well, I hope you get to try out this recipe. It's my first time making a YouTube cooking video, and I hope you enjoy it. There's gonna be more to come, so I'd like for you to subscribe and like.